Well, it's Thursday night. I figured I'd make a little update video. It's February 25th, Thursday night, and it's cold out. I don't know what the temperature is. Actually, I can check, but it feels really cold. It says 33 degrees out, but it's kind of windy. You can see I cleaned out this part, at least almost all of it. Okay, it feels like it's 30, feels like 19 it says with the wind. So I cleaned out almost all of this. I need to obviously sweep and so on. But it's getting there. I think I want to put a shelf up there and put all these old batteries on here, and when I recycle them, as I get new batteries, I can turn those in, obviously. And then just some half full oil containers and that John Deere weight, and the stupid container of crap. I did put up some new shelves. Couple new shelves above the door. Lighting sucks, but what are you gonna do? And that's all oil. Just your standard SuperTech Walmart oil. And I put some my spare tires up there for the trailer up there. So it's getting cleaned out. I think this tractor you guys saw, right? I don't remember now. It's a Simplicity Broadmoor. .14-horse Kohler. With the hydraulic valve lifters. And I had to replace the starter on it. It's right there. You know, the one thing I didn't do, the old starter had the old starter had a side mount, and I bought a bottom mount, but luckily I was alright with that. Yeah, I'm sure you can't see into there, but it's mounted underneath. But anyway, it works good now. It was just a matter of taking these two bolts off, and the electrical connection, of course, and drop it down and pull it out. Very simple. Probably easier than a Briggs, because the Briggs you have to take the cover off. Not that that's a big deal. It's a couple bolts, couple screws, but the Briggs single is pretty simple as well. Most single cylinders are, I would assume. Twin cylinders get a little bit more of a pain, although the one I did on the Craftsman wasn't too bad. And the latest purchase right here is this this pile. John Deere 318, 1990, 50-inch deck. And it's it's something. It is something. But surprisingly, it runs quite nice. Obviously just left outside and neglected all its life. Seats all cracked and faded and whatever, so it's bad. Looks wise, it's bad. You can even see there's like plastic remnants in that. So I gotta pull those out. Curious if these even work. There's some more in that one. Curious if those even work. I mean, the hydraulic deck lift is fine. So that part works. I wonder if I could, because I don't know how to test, those without actually having an implement for it. So if someone knows how to test these hydraulic lines, let me know. The only thing I was thinking is, I wonder if I could just take them off the Simplicity and stick it in the John Deere and see if it would operate the bucket. I was thinking, well, maybe that would damage it if the hydraulics weren't pumping on the Simplicity. I don't know. I suppose I could have it running, and then of course the hydraulics should be going. I don't know. So let me know what anybody has any opinions on how I can test those. If I can just take the hoses off the loader and put them on here or not. But that's what's going on here. Not much. Got the Simplicity, got the John Deere. I guess I'll give you guys a cold start of the John Deere. It was started yesterday, so it's not an old start per se, but whatever. It's a non-genuine cold start. It's about, like I said, about 30 degrees outside. And, 560 some hours on it, 535, 560, I don't remember now. A working hour meter still, so low hours, surprisingly enough. Let's choke this bad boy. Do a little throttle, see what happens. Likes to creep. There you have it. She runs pretty decent. Runs with some choke. Probably just needs a carb clean, of course, but I'm sure I won't do that. I'm tempted to keep it. I got it for such a good price. Tempted to keep it. Maybe find a blower for it or a plow or something, but clearly you would have to test those hydraulics first before I even went with the plow option. But I mean, she runs nice, so it would be nice to have 318, even though it looks like garbage. I don't care. It'd just be nice to use, but I don't know. That's about it for now. Just a little update for Thursday night, and you guys will see this Friday morning, I imagine, as long as I get it uploaded. Really, oh, I did buy a trailer. I bought a 5x8 trailer. It's obviously dark out. I can't show you that. I bought that a couple nights ago. So we'll see where that takes us. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.